exploring the meaning of affiliate in English. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and useful term in the English language: affiliate. This word is commonly used in various contexts, from business to personal relationships. Understanding what it means and how to use it can greatly enhance your English vocabulary. So, let's dive in. In this section, we'll look at the fundamental meaning of affiliate. Affiliate is a verb and a noun. As a verb, it means to connect or associate oneself with an organization or a person. For example, she affiliated herself with the new company. As a noun, it refers to a person or an organization attached to a larger body. For example, the local branch is an affiliate of a national group. The term affiliate is widely used in the business world. Here, it often refers to a form of business relationship. An affiliate is a person or organization officially connected to a larger entity, usually for marketing or promoting products. For instance, the website earns money by acting as an affiliate for various companies. Outside the business realm, affiliate can be used more loosely. It's about forming an association with a group or an individual. For example, he affiliated with the club to gain more networking opportunities. This usage emphasizes the idea of forming a connection or partnership. There are a few terms related to affiliate that are good to know. Affiliation is the noun that describes the relationship or connection itself. Affiliated is the past tense or adjective form used to describe something that is connected, as in, the doctor is affiliated with the hospital. And that wraps up our exploration of the word affiliate. Remember, it's a versatile term used in both professional and everyday contexts to describe a connection or association. Whether you're discussing business relationships or personal associations, knowing how to use affiliate can add depth to your English conversations. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful in expanding your English vocabulary.